Ja. Jeg skal sette denne blyanten.
Ja, for faen!
Faen, nå er jeg redd, altså.
Oh, shit!
Hva skjedde? Oh, shit, det ryker! Å, fy faen. Bra brannalarmen. The pencil, it didn't go that well. It started, I don't want to touch it. Shit. Oh, shit. It started smoking, and the fire alarm went off. And, oh shit, it burnt. Oops. Oh. Now we are going to put potato chips into the microwave and see what happens. Maybe it'll be popcorn. It is kind of hard to see, but that is okay. Now it has been 6 minutes. Oh shit! It has been 6 minutes. Let's see what happens. I don't want to eat it, in case it will kill me. It is a little burnt. See? I shall now attempt to eat it. If I don't live...
Oh, come on.
Shut up. Call the ambulance, motherfuckers. Yeah. It tastes very burnt. We are going to put drugs in the microwave. Hvor er det? Er det de? They are not even hot. Okay, let's...
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ding, ding, ring.
Careful, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you.
Careful, it's lovely weather
For a sleigh ride together with you. Hey, it's Christmas time!
Now we upgraded. We are going to try two things at the same time. A piece of paper and a Lego, half a Lego man. Oi. Ja, cola. Jeg er mer redd for brannalarmen og røyken vi får i oss. Det lukter litt sånn blyanten. Should I stop it? Ble det ikke varm igjen? Piece of wood. Edderkopp! Du, det er maling på den. Hva er det der?
Ja, faen var det. Ja, faktisk.
Motherfucker! Damn, nigga, shit! Ew! Now we're going to try 3 dead spiders. I hope they're dead. Well, they will be dead soon. Shit! Tenk om du var levende, det hadde vært så heftig. Gå spinner over dem som tar fri. Hva er det?
What the fuck? Fuck.
The pencil smelled worse. Ew. Nasty. Bonus material.
Oh! Fuck.
Holy fuck!
What the fuck?
Oh shit. Oops. Bonus material 2. Det lukter jo litt bedre. That smells really good. Oi.
Fucking shit! Oh, motherfucker.
Oh, det lukter fis. Oi, den ble litt svitt. Å, fy faen.